Hey there, scholars! Today we want to help you with laptop setup. We're going to go over passwords, bookmarking on your computer, and tech tips. Today I'll show you how to access your email and give you a few pointers about how to be more efficient when using Office 365. I'll also show you how to bookmark websites so that you can get back to them quickly. The next thing we'll do is we'll talk about PowerSchool so that you can access your grades and make sure you're staying groovy. I will also show you how to access your Schoology learning management system, and then we'll move to Clever, where you can find some materials for some of your classes. Now that you're signed into your computer, I'm going to show you how to navigate to websites you will need for the school year. I'll also show you how to log into those websites and bookmark them so that you can easily get to them again. To do these things, you will need to open Google Chrome. Click on the icon for Google Chrome. It is a red, green, and yellow circle with a blue dot in the middle. It looks like this, and you may find it somewhere probably on the desktop of your computer. You can always go to this type bar right here and search for it as well if you can't find it on your desktop. So we're going to open that. Next, we're going to go to our school district's webpage, acpsd.net. Once you're at acpsd.net, what we'll do next is we will scroll down and we will find this green banner here, and then we will click on the world labeled Digital Resources Portals. Once we click on Digital Resources Portals, we're going to open up several applications. We're going to go through these one at a time, but leave this page open because we will need it as we continue to do these things. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go down to Schoology, and everything is alphabetical order, so we're going to go down to the S's and we're going to click on this Schoology link. It will open up a Schoology tab here, and this is where we will sign into Schoology. Okay, so you're going to want to put in your username that you have been given. And if you put in the wrong username, you will get this user error message here. So put in the right username and the right password, and you should have been given that information. So you should have that in front of you now. Remember that your passwords are secret. We do not share those with humans. We do not want anyone to be able to log into your information, okay? Once you're signed into Schoology, your courses will appear here under Courses. So you'll click on those courses to interact with them. We'll talk more about that in a different session. And also, once you're logged in, you will want to click yes to save your password if you get the option. Remember, this is your computer. You are not going to be sharing it with anyone, and it is on a secure network. So you can do that. And then you're also going to hit the star here to bookmark. And you are going to save that bookmark, okay? While you're at it, you can go ahead and go to this little three dots here, and you'll see a menu pop up. Under that, you're going to go to the bookmark section, and you're going to go to Show Bookmarks Bar, okay? Once you show Bookmarks Bar, you'll have all of your bookmarks here for you to access. This is really nice because they function as little buttons almost. So I can click on any of these little buttons to go to the thing that I want to go to next. So for here, I want to go to my administrator site for PowerSchool, which is not something that you will have, but I have it here so I can click on it. You can also, if you have a lot of these, the extras will be here on the side. And then so like, see, I just saved Schoology. So I can literally just drag it around if I want it somewhere else and then make it available. And then you can rearrange those by clicking on them and then moving them around if you want. The next thing we're going to do is go to PowerSchool. So we're going to go back to our acpsd.net page. We were supposed to leave that open. Remember, if you accidentally closed it, you can go back to acpsd.net and click on the world on that green banner under the picture banner, and then we're going to go to our next thing. So our next thing will be PowerSchool. Okay, and this is where you can check your grades and your course schedule and all that really good stuff. So we are going to go to PowerSchool. So we're going to scroll down. Remember this, all of this stuff on this page is in alphabetical order. So we're going to go to PowerSchool Parent. Now we know that you are a student, but you're going to click on this one because that will bring you to the login for PowerSchool Parent. And so we're going to click on that. It will give you, you'll put your credentials in here, and then you're going to hit sign in. Once you're into PowerSchool, you can see your schedule, okay? You will be able to, once you start getting grades in, you'll be able to click on those grades. Instead of having an I there, you'll see a grade. You'll be able to click on your grade, and you will be able to see your individual grades, your quarter grades, your year grades, and all of that, okay, for each class. Okay, so once you're in here, don't forget to go up to your top corner here and press this star button. Make sure that you are putting that as a bookmark so that you can sign back in later.
The next system that we're going to navigate to from this page, acpsd.net, remember we're at the Digital Resources and Portals page, is Clever. So we're going to scroll down to the C's, going to click on Clever.
Once you're logged into Clever, you should be able to see teacher resources, teacher pages if there are any, okay? And then any other applications that your teachers may ask you to use in Clever, you'll be able to find here, all right? So don't forget, you're going to use your student ID number and your 2-digit month, 2-digit day, and 4-digit year birthday to log into this. Now, for the next step of this, we're going to navigate back to that Aiken County's page again, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to access our email for the last step of what we're doing today. So we're going to go to, scroll down to E's, and we're going to go to email, student/staff. We're going to click on that, and then we're going to put in our district login credentials.
You should have your email login information right in front of you, so check that out and make sure you're putting in the right information.
Okay, and so we're going to sign in there, and then we're going to be able to navigate. So we'll be able to go to our Outlook, we'll be able to see any files that we recently opened. If you click on this bar here, these little menu bar here, you'll be able to see that you can access Outlook, OneDrive, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, Teams, Sway, Forms, all of these things right here from this applications page. Also, again, don't forget that you can save your password so that you don't have to keep remembering it. And also you are going to be able to press this star here to be able to save that page so that you can use your quick access button. You see up here at the top, I do have mine saved, and that's just so that I can go to it quickly. Okay, one last thing I want to show you, and I'll show you some more tips and tricks throughout the year as we progress, but I want to show you this one thing really quick. So say I'm working on SC Discus and I'm doing some research, and I accidentally close out my tab. This happens a lot, and we get really upset because maybe we had something pulled up there and we had taken a lot of time to find it or navigate it. I don't know what to do, but I need that tab back. So I wanted to just very quickly show you how you can get that tab back. So what you're going to do is you're going to bring your cursor up here to the top in this blank space. Then you're going to right click on that blank space, and then you're going to navigate down to reopen closed tab. You can also use Control Shift and T. Press all of those three things at the same time, and then the tab that you have just closed will reappear. As you may notice, we will also see the writing here in that box that we had where we were searching. So even if you were in the middle of typing something out, it should reopen the tab exactly as it was when you closed it. This can be a lifesaver when we're doing schoolwork. So that's just a tip that I wanted to leave you with. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day.
That's all of our time for now. Congratulations, you are ready for success. Have a great school year.